Hey guys, welcome to the Bdthemes official. In this video, we are going to learn how you can manage your Bdthemes account to handle all your purchased products and licenses. To start, first we'll be going through a purchase process with Element Pack Pro as an example. Going into the pricing page and clicking the purchase button on a suitable package and proceeding with the checkout. In case you have a coupon code, you can apply it on the top of the checkout window and get a sweet discount given on the coupon. Then fill up your email address, first name, last name and phone number, and then hit the place order button. Once the purchase is made, you will see a confirmation message popping at the same window. Here you can instantly download the plugin files and copy the license code, or simply click on the continue button and move forward. Once again, you will see a welcome window. From here, you can visit our YouTube channel or knowledge page using the two quick links. Now, go to bdthemes.com homepage and click on the account button to access the login system. Once you're inside, you would need to click the register button as a new user of the account system. Here, please insert the email address that you used to purchase our products. Then click on the send verification button. Right then, you will receive an email with a dedicated link to verify the email address and integrate it within Bdthemes user account database. Clicking the verify button on the email will redirect you to the next page to register your user account. Once again, fill in the email address, your name and password. Now clicking the register button will submit your registration attempt and instantly grant you access to your user account. Once you're inside, you'll see a couple of info and useful links on the dashboard. There will be individual product pages on the side panel at your left. You can click on the product logo and get inside to see the extended details. Here, you are given a download link to the plugin files, package details, license number with copy button, and the number of active sites versus total sites. This number varies on the type of package you have purchased. Now click on the copy icon beside the license code and paste it into the code field under the license tab on your target website. You'll find the license tab when you install the premium plugin files on your WordPress site. Enter the purchase email at the top and the code at the bottom. Then click on the activate license button. Then you will be redirected to the plugin dashboard and you can go back to the license tab to find it being activated. Then go back to your user account page where you left off earlier and refresh it. You'll be able to see the active website counter increasing the number. Click on it and see the detail of the website where you have used this license code. Now here's what you can do. You can just hit the delete icon at the end of the detail panel for the target site. Doing this will erase the license being integrated into the target website. Of course, you'll need to deactivate the license from the target site through the license tab inside Element Pack Pro dashboard. Now you can reuse the license in a new website and continue building awesome websites your way. Inside the user account dashboard, only Prime Slider add-on is integrated through a different environment but managed under the same hood. Clicking on it will redirect you to the Prime Sliders account login page where you would require to use the same credential you'll be using to purchase the Prime Slider add-on. The rest of the plugins tab are integrated within the same environment and you can simply verify your purchase email here or go for a purchase right now. Now clicking on the tiny arrow on the top will expand the side panel to show the product names alongside the logos. At the bottom, you can check your payment history to trace all your purchase records in Bdthemes. Sometimes the data may not be visible. Please click the Sync Now button to freshly import the data from the database. Here, you can see the plugin package info, purchase date, amount spent, and additional refund and invoice buttons. You can always view the invoice and download it anytime you want. I hope now you'll be able to flawlessly manage your user account at Bdthemes and get used to awesome privileges of a brand account holder. We thank you for your patience and support. Please follow up with us in case you are having trouble managing your Bdthemes user account. Give a thumbs up to this video and continue with your glorious journey with Bdthemes.